The unboxing experience is simple, clean, and practical. Inside the box, the PS5 Disc Edition Slim 1 TB includes the console, DualSense wireless controller, disk drive, HDMI cable, power cord, USB cable, two horizontal stand feet, printed materials, and access to Astro's Playroom as a downloadable title. Everything is well protected and easy to set up, while the DualSense immediately stands out as the key accessory that defines the PS5 experience. The PS5 Slim feels solid and well assembled, with a redesigned glossy and matte plastic body that is smaller and easier to place than the original model. Its removable panels improve access for cleaning, storage upgrades, and customization, while the modular disk drive adds real, long-term value for players who prefer physical games, used discs, Blu-ray movies, and stronger ownership flexibility. In daily use, the PS5 Slim Disc Edition feels fast, smooth, and responsive, with quick game loading, fluid menus, and strong overall performance. The ultra-high-speed SSD, DualSense haptic feedback, adaptive triggers, and 3D audio remain the core highlights, making supported games feel more immersive and interactive. The disk drive also adds valuable flexibility, allowing users to play physical PS5 and supported PS4 games, buy cheaper used discs, enjoy Blu-ray media, and still access digital games and PlayStation Plus libraries. The PlayStation 5 Disc Edition Slim 1 TB is the most balanced standard PS5 for new buyers, offering the same fast performance, strong game library, DualSense immersion, 3D audio, and physical disc support in a smaller and more practical design. The vertical stands should have been included, and 1 TB can still fill quickly, but overall this is a refined, flexible, and excellent current generation gaming console.